What if I told you a silent war is happening right now? Not with bombs, not with missiles, but with tariffs, supply chains, and economic power. A war where one decision in Washington can shut down factories in China and create million-dollar opportunities in Vietnam overnight. This is the new global battlefield. The United States and China, the two biggest economic superpowers on Earth, are locked in the most intense trade conflict since World War II. Tariffs have exploded, supply chains are shifting, and countries around the world are picking sides or creating their own path. But here's the real question. Is this just a trade war or the beginning of a completely new global economy? Let's start with the numbers because they are shocking. The United States imposed 145% tariffs on Chinese goods. China hit back with 125% tariffs on American imports. This isn't negotiation anymore. This is economic warfare. And here's how tariffs work in simple terms. When tariffs go up, imports become expensive, companies suffer, consumers pay more. So who wins? Short answer, no one, at least not immediately. Because companies started asking one critical question. Why are we still dependent on China? And that question triggered something massive, a global migration of supply chains. Factories that once operated in China started moving to countries like Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia. And the impact? Exports from ASEAN countries jumped nearly 14%. Think about that. Entire industries relocating across borders. This is not just business. This is economic evolution in real time. Companies are diversifying, governments are adapting, and new winners are emerging. But here's where things get interesting. China still holds a powerful advantage: rare earth materials. These are critical for smartphones, electric vehicles, military technology, renewable energy. And China controls 60% of global rare earth supply, almost 90% of processing capacity. Which means, even if factories move out of China, they still depend on China. This is not just economic power. This is strategic dominance. While the world focuses on factories and goods, something even bigger is happening quietly. Services are taking over global trade. Today, services account for 27% of global trade, and they are growing at nearly 9% per year. That includes software, AI services, financial systems, digital platforms. This means the future economy is no longer about what you manufacture, but about what you create digitally. Countries that understand this shift will dominate the next decade. Another massive transformation is happening. Trade between developing countries is exploding. In 1995, South-South trade was around $500 billion. Today, it has reached $6.8 trillion. That's not growth, that's a revolution. Countries like India, Brazil, Indonesia, Vietnam are no longer just emerging markets. They are becoming economic engines. And for the first time in history, the world is no longer centered around just the US or China anymore. Now here's the part most people ignore. What does this mean for you? Whether you're a student, creator, or future entrepreneur, this shift changes everything. Because jobs will move across countries, new industries will emerge, digital skills will become more valuable than ever. If you understand these trends early, you don't just survive, you position yourself to win. This is not just a trade war. This is the rewriting of the global economy. The rules are changing, the players are changing, and the opportunities are shifting faster than ever before. The real question is, will you stay a spectator or become a player in this new world?